Hi, this is Michael, and this is What's Up with SUMO. A lot of stuff, a lot of things. Let me show you some of the new tools we're working on for localizers, for knowledge base editors, and for mobile stuff. So here, let's start with this. When you are updating an article or localization, you want to see what's changed from one version to the next. So we've changed the diff. So you can see from one English version to another exactly what's changed. So for example, in this German article, you can see here keywords. So these were the old keywords. Here are the new keywords. The things in dark green, those were added. Here's a summary. In the original version of the summary, the stuff in dark red was removed and the stuff in dark green was added. Likewise, here in the article, you can see it even has line numbers. So on line 2, we took out the ing and we added these things here in dark green to the article. And so if you scroll down to the editor, right, you can see on line 2, here's line 2. And that change was to the link here. Here's the current English version. So it makes it real easy to see exactly what's changed. So let me show you what this is like when you are editing an article. So here you are, you're making some changes, and like always, you've been able to preview the content, right? So here's the article as you've written it. So in this case here, I've added this new section, right? But sometimes when you're working on this, you want to make sure, is that all you changed, or make sure the code is right. So now you can come up here and you can do preview changes. And what that does, again, is show you this new diff here, and you can see, oh, right, this is the new section I've added, right, all in green. But on line 10, I made this change. I removed these words right here, and that's what the new line 10 is. So super simple. This new diff makes it really easy to see exactly what's changed. Now, you might have noticed, so we have these line numbers here, and you might have noticed, what's up with this editor? So let me tell you about this editor. So Toby, who's done things like the forum canned responses, made a new editor for SUMO. So what it does is it does syntax highlighting. And tag completion are the two main things that it does. So when you're writing, it keeps the text of the article like in black and gray, and it puts all the wiki code in red and links in blue, so that you can easily read the article that you've written while looking at the code. So for example, let's say I'm writing a new article, right? So this is the intro, right? And then I'm going to put a table of contents. So as I write table of contents, you see now it turns red because it recognizes that this is SUMO code, right? So now you'll notice I hit the equal sign and I get 2 of them because it's the beginning equal sign and the end equal sign of a heading. So this is a heading like that. Right, so now I want to do instructions. This is the first step. Whoops. This is the second. Again, you can see that the pound symbol there for the number of the step, those things have become red. Now, let's say I want to do another section. And this time I want to add different instructions for different operating systems. So I'm going to do for win, and it automatically closes the tag for me. Now, when you do a bulleted or numbered list, they have to go like this. And so I can put in, this is a Windows step, and another Windows step. Now I can add a Mac step, a Mac section, so for Mac, It's really hard to type and make a video at the same time. Oh my gosh. Okay, so so that's how the editor works. You can always toggle it on and off if you want to go back to the regular view. And again, then you can preview it just like normal. You'll see here, right? Things change when I select Mac or if I select Windows. That's how it works. Isn't that awesome? Thank you, Toby. This is huge. Okay. And then, so one more thing I want to show you. We have been getting ready. We've been working on, in addition to these editor tools and localization tools, we've also been working on new mobile version of Firefox. So based around Firefox for Android and Firefox OS. We've optimized the mobile site so that or the mobile version of the SUMO site so that it displays, great on those platforms. So you can test this. So I don't know if you can, yeah, that's not gonna work. I'll show you here in a second. But if you've got an Android phone, actually even it'll work on iOS too. If you log in to SUMO, you can see the new design and you can test it out. There's still some things that aren't complete, but we need people to look at it. So let me show you actually what it looks like in Firefox OS. So check this out. Oh, so let me tell you how you get Firefox OS on your computer. There is a cool add-on that I think it doesn't work on Windows at the moment. There's a crash on startup for Windows that they're still trying to fix. But it works on Linux and it works on Mac, and hopefully soon it will work on Windows. But it's an add-on that just puts the whole Firefox OS system as an add-on on Firefox. You just install this add-on and then you can turn it on from the tools menu. And let me show you what it looks like. So I'll put a link to this with the post. But here it is, running on a Mac. And I can click here Firefox, and this is Firefox running in on Firefox OS. So let me show you. If you go to the login screen on SUMO, which is support.mozilla.org/users/login, go there and log in to SUMO, and then here, and then you'll get the new mobile site. So you're presented with two choices. You want desktop, you want mobile. Click here. Here are the topics, right? There's the menu on the side. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So you want to go see an article like this. How do I install Firefox on Android? There's the article. So test it out, see, and let us know what you think. I'll put links with the post so you can try this. And then, once you have this running, you can help work on Firefox OS articles. That would be awesome too. So, man, that was a bunch of stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time.